Okay then, let's get started. And boop. So, right now I have no code showing because OBS lost it again. Let's fix that, shall we? And how's this? Better. Okay. Hello everyone. We are attempting to make a recreation of the original Lemmings game in assembly script, which then compiles down into WebAssembly and makes things so much interesting. And it's been a few weeks, so I've got no idea what exactly I need to be doing. But that's okay because I have git log and I have git issues to help me out along the way. So let's take a look at that, shall we? Right. So the last thing we did was build a new map screen into the map editor. Okay, yeah, so if we enter a level code here, and the level code is the special edit level keyword, we get this lovely blank screen. We can load in an existing map, just like that, where we can add it and update it and so on. If we go back into the edit screen, we can also do a new map where we set all sorts of things. So that's what we did last time. That was on the 25th of July. Now, next up, let's take a look. We've got loads of notes here. Anything with a thumbs up is something we've completely done, so we can ignore that. In fact, we have done that one as well. So we need to set different default animations for the map. We need to be able to set the number of lemmings to spawn and for success. I believe we've done that. In fact, let's refresh this page, make sure. Okay, yeah, that's better. So we still need to do the default animations, but we've got some new comments right here. So add spawn success and skill counts to level metadata class and parsers. That's going to be a fairly easy one, I believe. So let's start with that. Let's get this all the way over there so it's not blocking our tabs. I added this launch.json file to the VS Code directory. Basically means I can swap to the JavaScript debugger, or should be able to, in the debug console, and it will let me debug in Chrome, which means I don't have to mess around showing and hiding the Chrome debug window. Right then. So here's the generated levels. Where is our metadata class? So we've got one defined in the available generated levels. We have one in our map folder, and that's just generating the available level one. Excellent. So we can extend this one. Let's take a look at level. Or maybe base level. Here we go. Number of lemmings and number of lemmings for success. So we can take this and put it here. Okay. So we've got those properties in there now. And what's this area? So I'm guessing I need to update the generator for this one as well. But we can do that once we've got everything in. So that's a generated level. Okay, and all of this we've already done. This is probably one of the parsers. Yeah, looks like it. This is one of the others. so we can add it to that generator there. I think we need it here. Or do we? Where is this used? Okay, we just used the code there, so that's fine. And that's generating it, so we don't actually need to update this one. Can I seriously not move this anywhere else? Okay, you just stay where you are then. Okay, so I think I've added spawn and success to that. We can regenerate it very shortly. What else? We need the skills, which are here. Which are hard-coded. Now what we haven't done is meta, this dot meta. So we have the name, we have the number, we have the code, we have the difficulty from the map file. Which is here. Okay, so when the editor exports the map, we need to put spawn and success into the map. And in order to do that, we need to find out where it exports it. Show options after loaded. Save. Metamap.export. Metamap has the meta, and the meta has the spawning. Excellent. We are getting there eventually. Okay, so we've got the map parser base, reading them into metadata. That means that this parser in transforms no longer needs to read this in. It no longer needs them passed in through the arguments. But it does mean that we need to go back to our current map. Here. Put them in manually for now, just to bootstrap the whole thing. Hello Vanus, how is it going today? You having a good evening?